This is the 6th class for KIT second period in Iizuka campus. And let's see, last week, I did not give you a lot of work except for the reflection exercise and the reading quiz. So if you haven't yet done the reading quiz, make sure that you get that done. That's due tomorrow, May 21st. If the time on this is not written, usually what I have as a submission time is almost always 11 p.m. So if it's not written, just think of the time as 11 p.m. Anyway, you have that reading quiz for Montreal due tomorrow. You have your homework submissions and your reflections. These were pretty much well done. Actually, let me check to see how many people did this already. Oh, wait, I gotta get out of my student mode, go back to my teacher mode, and let's see here. Oh, good. Okay, let's see. How many people have already done this? Here we go. So, probably if, oh, there it is. 11 people, 11 people. 11 people is not many, so please make sure you get this done by tomorrow. All right, now let me go back to my student mode. Okay, and let's take a look at what we have to do today. Today, we're going to continue as we usually do with our speaking exercises. And those speaking exercises themselves will this time be using a lot more about prepositions like at, in, on. We'll also be looking at the future tense, will, going to, plus trying to teach you how to speak in longer and longer sentences. This week, or last week, I should say, last week's homework answers are here. You have this week's homework submission to do, and we're getting close to the halfway point in the class. So I gave you a reflection exercise on these fluency exercises. What do you think? Is something difficult for you? How is your fluency? Is it improving? Is it about the same? So I want you to watch this video and then write a paragraph on what you think you need to improve for your fluency. So one paragraph is about 3 to 5 sentences. Put your ideas together. Tell me honestly, what do you think you need to do to help your fluency get better and better and better? Remember, fluency is not about higher level words or more difficult grammar. Fluency is being able to speak and speak and speak at speed and with smoothness. Now, if that's the goal, what do you think you need to do for yourself? Okay, and if you have any questions, always remember that my email is right there. Okay, and you can use that anytime you want to email me. Otherwise, you can come and talk to me before class, after class, and discuss with me anything that you need to do. As I was saying to everybody who was here just before I started this recording, I will put this recording on YouTube, and on YouTube you can use the artificial intelligence system that Google has amazingly made to help you understand what's being said in any language. It'll translate to Japanese, almost 99% accuracy, so I'm not afraid to do this in English. You can always switch this back to Japanese. Okay, so as I said, email me at this email address if you have any questions. Otherwise, we'll get back to work doing fluency. Oh, one more thing, sorry. If we have time, I wanted to do this Quizlet, but we'll do that if we have time. We'll do our fluency exercises first, and then if I think we have enough time, we'll do the Quizlet live game that we did before. Okay, thanks very much, everyone.